What's up everyone, Garrett here from Code the Web, back with another web design trends video for 2015. So in this video we're going to talk about the use of video in your web designs. And if you guys remember last year we talked about hero images, which are basically really big images that stretch the entire window size, the entire size of the website, length and height and width and all that good stuff. But we're going to be talking about the same thing, but instead of images, we're going to be talking about the use of video in the backgrounds. So I've got 4 websites that I think do a very, very good job of showing you ways to do that. And we're going to take a look at them. So this first one, you actually remember, we talked about this in the last video, which was the ghost button, this same design. But I thought it did a really good job of the video in the background, and I also thought that it was a very nice video in the background. So I figured I wanted to show it to you guys and explain how this is kind of on the simpler side, which you're going to see in a sec. There's not that much going on here within the design itself, and the video is kind of staying still. It's a time lapse. You know, it's pretty relaxing. So let's move on to another one, which there's a little bit more going on. You can scroll up and down, as you can see, but at the top here, they've got, once again, the title of their website, their tagline, or whatever they want to, call it, whatever they want to put, maybe a call to action as well. And then they've got this video kind of going on in the background. And yeah, you could say to yourself, well, Garrett, isn't that a little distracting? And yeah, I guess it definitely is. But one thing that it does give you, which maybe it's a redeeming quality of the video, it's a little distracting, but it redeems itself by allowing the designer or the company to tell a story. And that's what the best websites do. They tell a story in order to get you to the visitor to do something, to do whatever they want them to do, whether that's to download something, sign up for something, buy something, or just be aware of something. They tell a story that enables them to accomplish their goals in terms of what they want the viewer to do. So yeah, it is distracting, it can be distracting, but once again, it tells a story, and that's the most important part. So now this next one is Jurassic World, which, as you can see now, the website, there's a lot more going on here. There's a lot more interesting stuff in the background. It's no longer just a camera on a tripod looking at things. It's now it's just a story now. It's this actual literal story now, taking you across this journey of whatever the designer wants you to be taken throughout. In this case, it's Jurassic World. So this next one is probably my favorite one, and that's because it takes 2 elements of web design trends. Number 1 is the video, which is what we're talking about right now, and number 2 is the scrolling. So what I want to show you guys is how they incorporated scrolling with your mouse and video to be this extraordinary experience that I think is absolutely incredible. So right now, I'm scrolling with the mouse. I don't understand what any of the text says, but I'm just moving my finger down on the mouse, and it's kind of going through this like video thing. Okay, so we're not going to go through all of this, but you guys get the hang of it. It's absolutely incredible what this designer was able to do. They incorporated 2 web design trends, which the more trends you can incorporate, the better your website is going to be. So yeah, I think they did a really, really good job of incorporating 2 trends into one site. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, definitely subscribe. You can do so by clicking on that button right there. Also, comment and rate this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any suggestions or anything that I missed that you want me to talk about in a later video. Be sure to do so. And if you guys want to check out some other videos that I've made throughout the past however long this channel has been open, then I'm going to have some videos popping up there right about now. So definitely check those out. Also, in the links, I know this is a lot, but in the description, you can find the link to the Twitter page for Code the Web as well as the Facebook page for Code the Web. I definitely recommend following and giving those a like because I post a lot of content over there that you won't get to see on YouTube. It's also a really good way to interact with me away from the videos. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, rate, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.